Oh yeah, welcome back to Custom Rust in Tampa, Florida. Well, we made quite a bit of progress so far. As you can see, we've got the engine in, power steering is connected, and we got a temporary radiator there. We've got our logo in place. Got one side completed, Custom Rust, Tampa, Florida. And we started working on the exhaust. Got our drive shaft in. We got our exhaust started. Tomorrow we're taking it over to the muffler shop. It's pretty tight in there. We had to get some mandrel bends and kind of work it in there real tight. I think it's going to work out pretty good. Our gas tank is in. Our bumper is on. Mama's working on the other door. Got that started. This is looking nice. Got a fancy duty Custom Rust radiator support there. And of course the bungee cords. And the best part of it all, she's hot wired. A Puerto Rican guy showed me how to do this. Well, you heard it run. We've waited quite a long time. We're taking it to the muffler shop tomorrow. We've got all the bottom of the bed painted, and that is looking pretty good. Alright, next time we'll have the exhaust on. Hopefully the bed will be on. Custom Rust, Tampa, Florida.